if all the ball go over the wall, we're gonna use each one up there. And if the final ball is the 2 kilograms, we're gonna use it. So let's see if I have a chance to use the
2 kilogram. Score 8.
11-8.
11-8.
Oy, Paul, and one.
Bang.
Pasok yun?
Mm.
Wala mong end one eh, 11-8 lang. There's no end one. But my shoot is end one.
Ewan ko.
Oy!
Ano siyang dot? Uy, oh. Hangin.